Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tech Jake, and today, I've got something that's seriously leveling up home entertainment. We're taking a closer look at the JMGO N1S Ultimate Triple Laser 4K projector, and this isn't just another living room projector. This thing is pushing boundaries with triple laser tech, buttery smooth visuals, and even comes bundled with 2 rechargeable active 3D shutter glasses. So, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, let's talk design. The JMGO N1S Ultimate comes in with this futuristic, minimal, and engineered-for-purpose look. It's got a smooth matte finish, integrated gimbal stand for flexible angle adjustment, and unlike the boxy designs we're used to, this one feels more like a premium smart home product than a clunky projector. You can set it up low, high, or even angle it to your ceiling. That built-in gimbal is a game-changer for quick adjustments without any external mounts. Now let's get to what really matters, the visuals. This projector is rocking a triple-color laser light source, which means you're getting incredibly vivid colors, ultra-sharp contrast, and true 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160. And it's laser, not LED, so it's bright, it's sharp, and the color accuracy is on point. We're talking over 110% BT point 2020 color gamut coverage here, which is well beyond typical DLP projectors in this price range. The brightness? 2500 ANSI lumens, which is more than enough to hold up in moderately lit rooms. And for home theater nights with the lights off? It's stunning. You're also getting HDR10+ support, so dark scenes are deep, shadowy, and detailed, while highlights don't get blown out. Watching movies on this thing feels like a theater experience, just minus the overpriced popcorn. Now the secret sauce here is JMGO's laser tech. This isn't your average single laser system. The triple laser setup allows for red, green, and blue light to be independently controlled, which translates to more accurate colors without needing a color wheel. That means no rainbow effects, no flicker, just clean and consistent images. Add to that MEMC motion smoothing, and this thing is silky smooth for sports, action scenes, or gaming. Yes, this projector can game. It's got HDMI 2.1, low latency mode, and can handle up to 240 Hz refresh rate at lower resolutions. You won't be replacing your OLED gaming monitor, but for big screen console gaming, it's a win. Audio. So here's something most projectors skimp on, but not this one. JMGO partnered with Dynaudio for the onboard speaker system, and it actually slaps. It's rich, full, with good bass, and doesn't feel like an afterthought. Sure, if you're a full audiophile with a 7.1 setup, you're gonna plug in external gear, but for most people, this thing delivers out of the box. Bluetooth speaker mode is also a thing, which is a nice bonus. And software? JMGO runs a custom Android TV interface with access to streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, all the essentials. Navigation is snappy, voice commands through Google Assistant are responsive, and you've even got wireless casting via Chromecast and AirPlay. Setup is nearly foolproof. It has automatic keystone correction, autofocus, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. Point it at a wall, hit power, and it adjusts everything in seconds. Honestly, one of the smoothest setups I've seen on a home projector. And now let's talk 3D. Yep, it supports active 3D playback. And it comes with 2 rechargeable 3D shutter glasses right in the box. That's pretty rare. Most brands make you shell out extra for those. Watching 3D content actually feels immersive and flicker-free. It's one of the better 3D implementations I've seen lately, if you're into that side of cinema. As for ports, it's got everything covered: HDMI 2.1, USB 2.0, headphone jack, and optical audio out. You've got wireless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. So it's ready for anything: streaming, gaming, even presentations if you want to flex in the office. But here's the verdict. The JMGO N1S Ultimate is not cheap. It's a premium projector with premium specs. But when you look at what it delivers, true 4K resolution, triple laser light engine, HDR10+, Dolby Audio, 3D support, and top-tier design, it's giving serious value for the price. This isn't just a projector, it's a complete home theater in a single, compact unit. And if you're looking for a real cinematic experience at home, without all the hassle, this one should absolutely be on your radar. So if you want to check it out for yourself, or pick one up, I've got the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. This is Tech Jake, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.